Hello, beautiful souls. Mindy here from Mindy's Quantum Wellness. Thank you for coming to my channel today. I just pulled a few tarot cards for the week of March 11th, 2024, for the collective who are on the ascension path along my side, my brothers and sisters. Welcome. So I pre-shuffled, drew these cards already just to save time. So in the past, we have the Nine of Pentacles, which represents us stepping more into our sovereign selves, following our heart's desire of manifesting what it is we want to see in the world. The snail represents us always being at home no matter where we are, and just being guided by spirit, letting that be the higher voice that comes in to help guide us forward. And just really, stepping out of the matrix, which is in the present moment. This couple, they're leaving the confines of imprisonment, stepping forward into what they're truly desiring in the world. With the Four of Wands. Wands show creativity, living through the God within, which, is all about creation. So yeah, they're celebrating that, stepping forward. And with the Strength card, it's just a really beautiful confirmation that you have the strength to overcome that beast who is trying to enslave or entrap you. And in the very center is the Victory card, Six of Wands, just, being celebrated for who you are as an individual. Your talents, gifts, and abilities are they're really shining at this point. And in the future, we have the Ace of Swords, which is something you've been thinking about, really been on your mind, a new message that you want to bring out into the world. So yeah, swords are thoughts and words. We want to really just fine tune what it is, what our message is, and really just bring it out into the world. So if it's an email you need to send out to, those around you, your community, speaking up in a public place, making a video like this on your social media or whatever, there is a truth that you're being led to speak forward. And then the advice, we have the Magician and the World card, which is, you stepping into the God within. You can create heaven on earth using all these tools at your disposal, right? So you have the cup, the pentacle, the sword, the wand, all these things at your disposal to create at this time, which is the end of a cycle. We're at the end of the Pisces season, stepping into the astrological new year of Aries. So yeah, as we complete this cycle, what is it that you really want to bring forward into this now moment, into this present 3D reality? If you're following this channel, you're probably very heart-centered, more in the 5D element, but you feel kind of stuck as to how to move forward in the 3D realm, which is the matrix. Just know that what we've been taught about things needing, making money has to be stressful. You have to work hard, go, compete, scarcity mentalities, all these lies we've been told, right? It's time to walk away from that. It's the end of that cycle. Know that you are the creator of your reality. You can pull your dreams, your wishes forward. So yeah, I hope this reading helps. And I also pulled a card from Adriana Ayala's her herbal astrology oracle deck, which I really love. And I got Go to Kola, which is just a beautiful message of really going within, drowning out all the noise, the external noise that keeps you from living into your true purpose. So just, really look at this card and see the person is meditating, closing their eyes from distractions, really going within and using their consciousness or their higher consciousness, which is what the card says Gotu-Kola represents, and just really tapping into the God within. So in just reading the advice from Gotu-Kola's higher consciousness card, I wanted to read you the guidance on this. So it says, Gotu-Kola, like the wise hermit in the tarot, signals the achievement of great wisdom through solitude and trust. You are entering a period of deep inner contemplation. Looking for answers requires solitude and disconnection from the regular casualties of life. Gotu-Kola walks through the undiscovered pathways of the subconscious mind with precision, guided by the light of the northern star. You are moving into a new and higher stage of being. If you're experiencing a sense of loneliness or alienation, you are perhaps living a reality where your own deep truths have been denied. This is a time for introspection, a time for rest, meditation, and inner work. Your consciousness is undergoing transmutation. Take the time to study. Invoke your higher consciousness every day through meditation and contemplation. So just going within, tuning out all those external distractions that are keeping you stuck, feeling disempowered, maybe jealous, or just frustrated. You don't have to live in that realm anymore. Limit your time on these black mirrors. Go out in nature, connect with the codes, and let the synchronicities just guide you along your path. I hope this reading helps give you a little more clarity for going into this week of March 11th, 2024. We're in a new moon in Pisces season, so I recommend working with amethyst crystals. If you have, it doesn't have to be a fancy pyramid. It can just be like a little chip. Or you could even draw a circle with the word amethyst in the center and just use the intention as you meditate to help open up that third eye consciousness and bring in what it is you want to see in your world. If you found this reading helpful and you strongly resonated with it, please do like and share with a friend or a loved one who needs to hear this message as well. I'm just trying to reach as many people as possible to help, be a supportive hand in our ascension journey, just being a voice to guide you forward and assist you along your path. So sending you many blessings and all my love your way.